What's up, guys? In this video, I will show you my top 5 cloud mining projects that you guys could go ahead and check out. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so first on the list, we have the Binance Pool. It is an all-inclusive service platform that is meant to increase miners' earnings, and users could also mine multiple currencies using the same algorithm and increase your profit margin by automatically adjusting the hash rate, okay? So the algorithm that they are using is actually SHA-256. It is supported by the Binance Smart Pool, and users' hash rates can also automatically be switched from Bitcoin, BCH, and BSV. So the final mining income is going to be settled in Bitcoin. So this is the cloud mining tab, guys. You could go ahead and check this one out as well. You will see the mining duration, 90 days. You could start with a minimum investment of 8.8, and you have all the details in here that you guys could go ahead and check out to see if this is something that you would like to start up with. Alright, so the next one on our list is the NGS Crypto, and believe me when I tell you guys, this website is very, very intuitive. It is very user-friendly simply because they have almost everything in tutorial mode. They will help you understand almost anything that you have questions about crypto.
People generally only associate crypto traction in many industries, from agriculture all the way to banking and finance. To understand how blockchain will change the world, you need to understand a concept called democratized information, how it works and the benefits of it. Democratized information means it gives control of information, transfer of information.
Okay, so that is just one of the parts of the website that has that one. If you click on About Us, all right, let's go ahead and click on that one. They also have a video of who they are, and you guys could go ahead and watch that as well. How it works, you have how crypto mining works. They also have a video on that one as well. So basically, guys, what I would just suggest for you to do is head out to their website. Go ahead and check out each part of the website, and there is a video that will definitely help you in understanding what NGS Crypto does and who they are in the business. All right, so the next one on our list is BMine. And for BMine, guys, the company actually permits online cryptocurrency mining without requiring the equipment owner to actively participate in the process. So basically, what it means is that this is going to generate passive income for you. So rather, guys, the service brings together equipment owners and data centers to mine cryptocurrency together. So the partnership is open to owners of mining hotels, equipment owners that are welcome to install it on affiliated data centers. So for a fair price, guys, you could go ahead and check out BMine. Okay, BMine also enables you to buy up to 1 of 100 of a particular ASIC share, which is actually a very useful way to begin mining coins without having to entirely purchase a very expensive machine. So that is actually what I normally suggest. So you could go ahead and try that one out. You could share it with others, or you could rent out ASICs or miners. That way you could start off with a little investment, and then once you're ready, then that's the time that you could go ahead and buy your own, which will then generate more income for you. So that is BMine, guys. So the next one on our list is ECOS, guys. It is a Bitcoin mining ecosystem that provides you a number of tools that let you profit from cryptocurrency assets. And what I like about ECOS is that they have a lot of choices according to your budget at any entry point. And depending on your budget, guys, they have plans that allow you to rent it out first, like here, mining rental. Or if you are ready to purchase your own ASIC for Bitcoin miners, then you could go ahead and do that as well. So that is ECOS. I would also strongly suggest that you go ahead and check them out. They have a lot of promotions happening currently, guys, that will definitely save you a lot on your initial investment. All right, so that is ECOS, guys. And last, but definitely not the least, this is Stormgain. And just like what you could see on your screen, guys, if you scroll on the top there, It says crypto trading with leverage, you have Bitcoin cloud mining, you have crypto exchange, and you have exclusive trading signals. Now, what I like about this one, guys, is that it is a one-stop shop wherein you have an exchange, you have Bitcoin mining, you have trading signals, and derivatives all in one website, which is Stormgain. So for me, guys, trading signals helps a lot, especially if you are new in crypto trading and you are still learning and needs to validate your technical analysis with the professionals that does technical analysis as well. I believe that there is a lot of store for you with Stormgain. So go ahead and see for yourself if this is something that you would like to invest in or start with your crypto trading career. And guys, stay until the end screen videos. Those videos will definitely be helpful in your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.